All right, now we're on to the organizing and draft part of these directions. So remember your topic is human rights and immigrants or immigration. This paper will be 5 paragraphs total. You will have an introduction paragraph, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion paragraph. Okay, so we have been learning how to write good thesis statements. So you are going to choose one of the 7 ways that you learned how to write a good introduction paragraph. You're going to choose one of those ways, write an awesome introduction paragraph, and then you're going to add a really good thesis statement at the very end of your introduction paragraph. Okay, so you're going to get points for having an introduction paragraph and also a thesis statement. Now, your body paragraphs. You're going to have a little bit more freedom here. Each of your body paragraphs are going to have the same requirements, but you get to choose what you would like to write about in each paragraph. So here are the requirements for each of your 3 body paragraphs. Each body paragraph should focus on one human right. So you're going to choose 3 human rights that you think are the most important for immigrants or most relevant or most impactful, okay? In each body paragraph, you will just focus on one of these human rights. So you're going to choose 3 human rights, and each body paragraph, you're going to write about one of those human rights. So here are the requirements. Here's what you should have in each of your body paragraphs. You want to describe the right in your own words. So in your own words, what is this right? What does it mean? You're going to explain why this human right is so important to immigrants or immigration. This is an important one, using your class materials. Give examples of how this right can be violated for immigrants or why it is so important for immigrants. Okay, and as always, each paragraph must have a topic sentence supporting details and a concluding sentence. Okay, you must have facts or examples from at least one class source, but of course you can use more if you want to. Okay, now on to your conclusion paragraph. This is the last paragraph of your essay. Instead of choosing one of the ways to write a conclusion paragraph, I'm telling you which one you will use for this paper. So in this paper, you're going to use the call to action technique to write your conclusion paragraph, okay? Answer these questions. Try to answer these questions. What is you and me, people, individuals, what is our responsibility to uphold these rights or make sure that these rights are not violated? What is the government's responsibility to uphold these rights? And uphold means to protect them, to make sure these rights are not violated. And so you're going to use a call to action technique in your conclusion paragraph. Remember, you can go back in the modules and you can review the slide presentation on writing conclusion paragraphs if you need to remind yourself how to write a call to action conclusion paragraph. Okay, next we will go over how you will revise and proofread.